Hi everyone, welcome to another Dynamics 365 Business Central General Ledger Setup discussion. So this discussion I'm going to talk about the dimensions setup in the General Ledger Setup table. When we are talking about the dimensions, if you don't have any idea, you just wait another 2-3 videos. I'm gonna give you proper understanding about the dimension, but now I'm going to just brief you what are the dimensions. Actually, dimensions which we are using for the see the profitability of the special areas, like if you want to get your profitability or if you want to record transactions against special department, special area, like based on the customer category or based on the department. You can for that purpose you can use dimensions. Actually, other than that, we have very vast benefits, very big lot of benefits from the dimensions, but here I'm going to just talk about how you have to set up global dimensions and shortcut dimensions. For that, let's move to the Business Central. So when we comes into Business Central, if I go to the General Ledger setups, we have special fast tab called dimensions. In this dimensions fast tab, we have global dimension 1 code, global dimensions 2 code, and shortcut dimensions 1 to 8. In the Business Central, we have two options to record global dimensions, because normally the department and customer groups are regularly using, when we are implement any company, most of the company require this global dimension 1 2 as a department and customer group. However, if you have different requirement, different area to set up, yes, you can go as you want. Other than that, we can set up to 8 shortcut dimensions, including these global dimensions. Once you set up these global dimensions, the benefit you can get is you can see those in the transaction level. If not, actually system have a option to record more than 8 dimensions, so I'll show you. But if you record these, especially these dimensions in these 8 fields, sometimes you can get some benefits when you are implementing reports, like customizing reports. Likewise, you can get some benefits. However, I haven't seen, only one company I saw with more than 8 dimensions. Other than that, so most of the companies not going up to 8 dimensions, but there are some companies who using dimensions, for a lot of dimensions for their reporting and the information purpose. However, this is how we have to set up. So if you have any dimensions, we can select from this, like we have select department and we have selected the customer group, then area. Likewise, we can set up dimension codes, and system have another option. Once when you are implementing project, when you are using the Dynamics 365 Business Central, initially you can set up this global dimension 1 and 2 as a like this, which means dimension 1 for department, dimension 2 for customer group. But in case if you want to change these dimensions, if you want to get area 2 as a global dimension 1, that option also you can get from the system, from change global dimension option. So if you want to change this to area, dimension area used in the, yes, the system saying that we are using that. So what we have to do is we have to remove this, then go to the change global dimension option, then we can change the area, and we'll have to click start. Once this start, automatically this area code comes as a dimension 1, but this change will not affect to the previous transaction. It means, imagine if you are like posting any general ledger entry, you have selected global dimension 1, your finance department as under the global dimension 1, but that that transaction already posted. But if you after the change dimension, those past transactions will not change for any reason, but future transactions you can get the area codes as a values. So it takes time. So okay, other than that, until changing this global dimension, let me tell how we have to set up dimensions. So in the system we have table called dimensions. In the table dimensions we have to give your dimension. It can be either area, department, customer group, whatever. Sometimes can be employee, and based on that, against that department or whatever dimension, you can maintain values, which means under the department you can maintain values like dimension values like finance department, marketing department, likewise. And yeah, let me show it to you. So if we go to the dimension table, yeah, if I come to dimension, yes, you can see how I have set up dimensions: area, business group, customer group. Likewise, I have set up dimension. If I want, I can set up more dimensions, and under the department I have set up dimension values. You can see all these things in detail later. So under the department dimension, now I have dimension value called admin, values called admin, production and sale. So likewise we can maintain, but my main purpose of this video is show you what is the dimension and how, especially how we have to set up dimension in the general ledger setup table, and how we can change dimension, global dimension 1 and 2. So hope you have some idea about dimension setup. So let's meet up with the proper video about dimension, because there's a lot of things to learn about dimensions. Through the dimension we can see profitabilities for each dimension, each department, each area, and we can do analysis. So there's a lot of things to do using dimension. Especially this option is very important option for the especially consultants. When customer asking us some reports, we can provide those reports using dimension. So let's learn that later. So until that, stay safe. Thank you.